shadow or whatever you would want to call it that they put on for the next epic, the one that is coming up next. Not many people can figure out what it is. It's confusing a lot of people, so I'm going to go ahead and give what I think it will be. So let's just get into the video. So here we have this epic. We don't know what it's called. We don't know what variant is going to be. But the thing is, I don't think this is going to be a variant. If you can see, it has wings, but this would have to be a pretty messed up version of Luma to be the aura. So if you go to the pet book, Mythical Epic Pet Book, then you can see over here that it probably won't be, it's probably not going to be aura because there is no tail here, and it looks like aura is going to be up next, but maybe that is not going to be the case, which is why I think it's going to be a new, or the only one that's not going to be a variation. Also, if you look at Big Hex, it doesn't have wings. People have been saying that it could be Big Hex. Big Hex does not have wings. And if you look here, it doesn't have wings on this. Plus, the head is pretty screwed up, which is another reason. So this thing is going to look very weird in my opinion. It's going to have wings probably. The head is going to look very weird. It's just going to be a very weird looking epic in my opinion. It can't be any of these. So yeah, that's pretty much going to end the video. It's not going to be any of these, because as we've seen so far, this has been pretty accurate. So yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Only 8.2% of you, I think, are subscribed. Let's see. Yeah, 8.2% of you are subscribed, so why don't you go ahead and subscribe? And yeah, that's going to end up the video. Bye.